You may be asking yourself, what is a PLC? Welcome to the Automation Coffee Break. A Programmable Logic Controller, or PLC, is a ruggedized computer used for industrial automation. These controllers can automate manufacturing processes such as assembly lines, machines, robotic devices, or any activity that requires high reliability, ease of programming, and process fault diagnosis. The PLC receives information from connected sensors or input devices, processes the data, and triggers outputs based on pre-programmed parameters. Depending on the inputs and outputs, a PLC can monitor and record runtime data such as machine productivity or operating temperature, automatically start and stop processes, generate alarms if a machine malfunctions, and more. Programmable logic controllers are a flexible and robust control solution adaptable to almost any application. Give us a follow and check AutomationCoffeeBreak.com for more content.